Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get tax form from Wealthsimple. So it's actually very easy, so you can do this from either the Wealthsimple app or web. I'll show you this web one in just a bit, but if you're doing it from the Wealthsimple app, you just sign into the Wealthsimple app on your mobile device, and from the Home tab, scroll down to Tax, and then tap View your tax documents or whatever year it is. Go ahead and tap on that. And then you can just go ahead and review your available tax documents. You can also go ahead and download and print those. And from the web, it's a very similar process. You sign into your Wealthsimple account. And from the Home tab again, you view, right, your 2024, whatever year it is now, your tax documents. And then you just review your available documents. You can also go ahead and download and print those. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.